Hi, everyone. My name's Tim Nash. I'm a certified financial planner, and I've been helping people with sustainable investments for over a decade.
And I'm Daryl Brown. I'm a chartered financial analyst, and I've been in the investment management space for over 10 years now, with the last 5 years really focused on helping regular people understand their investments.
Together, we've helped hundreds of people align their investments with their values. What we found is that for people who are just getting started on their investment journey, or for people with a little more money but who want to dip their toe in the water to see whether DIY investing is right for them, it can be really expensive working one-on-one with a financial planner. That's why we built this online course, to help people get started and not only learn about this stuff, but actually put their money to work and start seeing how easy it is to do a DIY sustainable portfolio.
We also know that investing can seem dry, boring, and even really intimidating at times. But what we've done is put together a fun and exciting course that we know is going to be a really excellent experience for you.
Lots of us are worried about climate change right now and are taking actions to reduce our personal carbon footprint. Certainly, we want you to do things like fly less and ride your bike or use an electric car and eat less meat. But if you're not looking at the carbon footprint of your investment portfolio, you're missing a huge part of the puzzle. Someone who has 100K invested in the market has a higher carbon footprint from that investment portfolio than all of those other actions combined. So that's why it's really important for you to be intentional and deliberate about what investments you're putting inside of your personal portfolio.
If you take a look at the average fee investors pay per year in Canada, it's generally around 2%. So that might not sound like a lot, but even if you were to take $10,000 and invest over 30 years and you were to average a rate of return of 6.4%, you are essentially losing almost half of your money to investment fees, which is a lot. One of the nice things about our course is that we really focus on people learning what exchange traded funds are, or ETFs for short. ETFs are much lower fee, and generally we can put together portfolios that are in the 0.5% range or less. So that means you end up keeping a lot more of your money over time.
Now, a lot of people assume that with sustainable investments that you do have to sacrifice financial returns, but that's not true at all. This is some research done by a group called the Responsible Investment Association, and they've looked at the average responsible investment global equity performance compared to the average global equity, which is a traditional investment fund. And we found that the returns are about the same, and the responsible investments have actually outperformed a tiny little bit over the last few years. Another concern that people have is that this is going to take up all of your time, that you're going to have to watch the markets and follow them every day. But in reality, it's very, very simple. We use what's called a couch potato approach, meaning that really the time investment is about 4 to 5 hours to take the course and get everything set up front. And then once everything is set up and organized, going forward, it's very simple. We use this program called Passive that allows us to rebalance in just 3 clicks. So literally it's about once a month, maybe once every 2 months, you just need to log into Passive and click 3 buttons to put more money to work. Using these tech platforms, we've made rebalancing so much easier that you don't have to pay any attention to it day to day. All you need to do is log in once a month and click 3 buttons to rebalance your portfolio. When you finish the course, you're going to feel great, knowing that your investments are aligned according to your values, that you've got a game plan for how to rebalance your portfolio, and that your fees are so much lower than they were before.
We also hope that you'll feel like you've got the tools and confidence to be able to monitor and manage your portfolio responsibly over time.
Sign up today to get started.